Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce you to our set of 6 stackable space-saving nesting glass bowls with BPA Free Lids, perfect for food prep, storage, baking, mixing, and cooking. These bowls are designed to save space in your kitchen, as they stack neatly and nest inside each other, making them easy to store in your cupboards. Made from ultra-durable borosilicate glass, these bowls are up to 5 times stronger than ordinary glass, and they're safe for use in the microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher. Each bowl comes with a lid that keeps your food fresh and prevents unpleasant odors, making them ideal for both hot and cold foods. Plus, our glass bowls are 100% BPA free and recyclable, offering a safe and eco-friendly option for your pantry. Please note, the lids require separate care and should not be used in the microwave, oven, or dishwasher. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile and durable glass bowl set, and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind they bring to your cooking and storage needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.